Evolutionists present many of their missing link discoveries as factual explanations to human origins, but they have often based their conclusions on flimsy findings and twisted truths, which are well crafted to promote their preconceived theories. Some supposedly compelling fossil finds have later proven to be the remains of non-human animals or an outright hoax, while others have included various bone fragments scattered miles apart which were deceptively fused to form a single creature. Evolutionists have also been known to declare recent footprints as pre-human and have promoted the depiction of simple backyard rocks as prehistoric tools in student textbooks. They've also been caught on video filing bone fragments to make them better fit the theory. While evolutionists may offer grains of scientific truth with every new discovery, we should not automatically believe them when they hail the unveiling of a missing fossil link between contemporary humans and supposed pre-human ancestors. One of the most popular evolutionary misconceptions is that modern humans evolved from an ape-like ancestor such as a chimp. Based partly on incomplete past research of the human genome, which concluded that human and chimp DNA is 98 to 99% similar, evolutionists claim that humans evolved from ancient chimps. There are excellent scientific reasons to believe we aren't that genetically similar to ape-like creatures, and even if we were, it wouldn't prove we evolved from them. Recent complete research of the human genome has shown that human and chimp DNA is really less than 85% similar, thus the genetic gap between humans and our supposed nearest evolutionary relative has grown much wider. Further, human DNA segments which evolutionists once called junk DNA have been conclusively shown during the ENCODE project completed by secular scientists in 2012 to actually be very useful, and this further widens the genetic gap between humans and ape-like animals. Also, interestingly, milk chemistry tests indicate the donkey is our closest relative, and cholesterol level tests demonstrate that garter snakes are our next of kin. Additionally, tear enzyme chemistry tests conclude we are most intimately related to chickens, and certain blood chemistry tests proclaim the butterbean genetically mirrors us. The DNA similarity test offers evolutionists no real proof we evolved from a common ancestor when we understand the estimated amount of information contained in the 3.2 billion base pairs of a DNA molecule is equivalent to that found in a 500,000 page book. Evolutionists have tried to hide the fact that even a 1% divergence between human and chimp DNA translates into a 30 million base pair difference, which is approximately equal to the information content of a 30 million word book. Mutations and natural selection, the proposed primary shaping factors of evolution, are incapable of adding new biological or chemical information which would be required for an ape-like creature to become a human. Evolutionary theory cannot span the at least 30 million base pair dissimilarity nor any difference between chimps and humans. In addition to genetic differences, evolutionists also can't explain the massive social gap between chimps and humans. Evolutionist Roger Lewin admitted this gap by stating, "Our intelligence, our reflective consciousness, our extreme technological facility, our complex spoken language, our sense of moral and ethical values, each of these is apparently sufficient to separate us from nature." Mark P. Cosgrove added, "If we are honest, we will face the facts and admit that we can find no evolutionary development to explain our unique speech center." Strong atheist Richard Dawkins agreed that, "Nobody knows how language began. There doesn't seem to be anything like syntax in non-human animals, and it is hard to imagine evolutionary forerunners of it." While some evolutionists have ignored evidence for the vast gulf between humans and chimps, no objective person seeking the truth should overlook reality. Since the biological, physiological, mental, and social chasm is so wide, we can sensibly state that humans have not, cannot, and will not evolve from an ape-like creature.